Do we have enough gas to get there? Don't worry, we've got plenty. I don't have enough time today. We have plenty of time. This pizza is good enough. Are you old enough to drive? Enough and plenty. These words seem simple, right? They both talk about quantity. But what's the difference between enough and plenty? How come you can say good enough, but not plenty good? And why do people say, don't worry, we've got plenty, instead of we have enough? If you've ever had questions like this, then you're definitely going to want to listen to this English lesson podcast. That's because today we're going to look at how people really use enough and plenty in everyday English.
Welcome to another Happy English podcast coming to you from New York City. And here's your English teacher, Michael.
All right, thank you, John, and thanks, everyone. It's Michael here from Happy English, and I help people speak English better. And this is Happy English Podcast, episode 1054, Enough versus Plenty. What's the difference? And by the way, if you're enjoying learning English with me, make sure to follow the podcast or subscribe so you won't miss any new episodes. Let's start with enough. The basic meaning of enough is the right amount. Not too little, not extra, just sufficient. For example, imagine you're going on a road trip and someone asks, do we have enough gas to get there? That means, do we have the amount we need? Not extra, just enough. Or maybe you're getting ready for a test and you think, ooh, I don't have enough time to study. That means the amount of time you have feels insufficient. Here are some more examples. We don't have enough chairs for everyone. Or I finally saved enough money to buy a new laptop. Or maybe after dinner you say, oh, no thanks, I've had enough. That means you don't want more. So the key idea with enough is this. We use enough when we talk about a sufficient amount, the amount needed. Next, let's look at plenty. This word is different. Plenty means more than enough, more than sufficient, a large amount, no problem, no need to worry. For example, imagine you're planning a party and someone says, do we have enough snacks? You might reply, oh yeah, we have plenty. That means more than enough. Or maybe your friend is worried about getting to the airport on time and says, oh, should we leave now? You can look at the clock and say, relax, we've got plenty of time. Again, more than enough, more than sufficient. Here are some more examples. There are plenty of restaurants around here. Or, don't worry about food, we bought plenty. Or, after dinner, someone offers you more cake and you say, no thanks, I've had plenty. That means definitely enough, or maybe too much. So here's the key difference. Enough means sufficient. Plenty means more than sufficient. And honestly, this difference changes the feeling. For example, we have enough gas. That sounds okay. We'll make it. But we have plenty of gas. Now, that sounds like we have more than we need. So, absolutely no problem. Here's another comparison. I have enough money to buy a new laptop. That means I can afford it, but I have plenty of money. Wow, now it sounds like you're rich. Now, let's talk about one thing that can be confusing, word position. With enough, the position changes depending on the grammar. When we use enough with a noun, enough comes before the noun. You can say things like enough time, enough money, enough food. Like, we don't have enough coffee. So enough comes before a noun, but we use enough after other words. For example, Jack's son is not old enough to drink. I didn't run fast enough in the race. Have you eaten enough? That might seem strange, but, English is strange. Now, here's something interesting. We don't use plenty in the same way. When it comes to nouns, we say plenty of, like plenty of food, plenty of time, or plenty of money. So it's plenty of plus a noun. But we don't use plenty before other words, so you can't say things like plenty good or plenty fast. That sounds weird. Just use plenty of plus a noun. Like, we have plenty of chairs for the party. And by the way, in everyday conversation, you can use short phrases like, we've got plenty, there's plenty, ho, I've had enough. So here's the key idea. Enough means the amount needed. Plenty means more than enough, more than sufficient. Enough changes position depending on what comes after it, while plenty usually goes with of plus a noun. Once you start noticing these patterns, these words become much easier to use naturally. And keep in mind, the best way to remember English like this and any other word or phrase in English is to take that word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. Hey, thanks for listening. And remember, learning another language is not easy, but it's not impossible. And I'm here to help you on your journey.
This podcast was brought to you by Happy English. Please visit myhappyenglish.com. Show your support for Happy English by leaving us a review. Get English, get happy, Happy English.